Google is finally out with the new Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro, as Google has introduced some of its exclusive features on the Pixel 7, and one of them is going to be the special one you guys might often use for your photos, and this feature is going to be the unblur. Now you can apply this effect to any available photos, obviously the one which is slightly blurred due to shake or subtle movement, which should be available in your Google Photos on Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro, and it will fix it using the new Tensor Gen 2 machine learning capabilities. For now, this feature is only available for the new Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro, but this might be rolled out to other Pixel devices, mostly the Pixel 6 and the 6 Pro later. Another cool feature you might see on the Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro is its new video mode, which is called Cinematic Blur, which works just like the cinematic mode on the iPhone 14 Pro Max, basically providing a portrait mode in a video just to make a software blur. With these new machine learning capabilities of the Tensor Gen 2 chipset, the new camera on the Pixel 7 Pro will bring some of the new features, including the super res zoom and 30x digital zoom with the new telephoto lens. There is a 2x zoom option on the Pixel 7 Pro, which uses the main 50 megapixel camera and crop it to the 12 megapixel to give the crisp shot on the Pixel 7 Pro. And same goes to 10x, but this time it uses the new 48 megapixel camera to give the best shot. The new macro shot on the Pixel device is also amazing, where it uses the new ultra wide sensor, which is 20 times wider from the last year. And with the new focus pixel, you can take the macro shot with ease. The new 11 megapixel shooter on Pixel 7 Pro will now be capable of recording 4K 60 fps, so vlogging guys should have an eye on this feature of the Pixel 7. Now both the Pixel 7 series will be coming with the face unlock, which is back in the game, but as per Google you can only use this to unlock your Pixel devices, but you shouldn't use it for your banking app since this is not secure, because this is just using the front 11 megapixel selfie shooter, unlike the Apple 3D depth sensor. But fingerprint scanner is still there, which you can use for more secure option. Google is keeping the same feature from the last year, Magic Eraser, all thanks to Tensor Gen 2. But this is not it. This year Google Pixel devices are also come with the brighter display than the last year. On Pixel 7 you guys will get a 1400 nits of brightness, and on Pixel 7 Pro you guys get a 1500 nits of brightness. This year Pixel devices are all about the new software feature using the new Tensor chipset, which Google improved it by 35%, which is amazing. So guys, if you are looking for a comparison between the S22 Ultra and the Pixel 7 Pro, then here is a video you can check out that as well. Thanks for watching. Peace out.